In the era of smart manufacturing, predictive maintenance for industrial equipment has become the key to staying competitive. Across global production lines, rotating machinery consume about 70% of all power, serving as the prominent driving force of manufacturing. Any unexpected failure can lead to tremendous losses. ITRI has pioneered the Prognosis monitoring system, PMS, blending 3 decades of vibration monitoring expertise with advanced AI algorithms. Through multiple upgrades and flexible design, it visualizes machine health at a glance. The system offers 3 key strengths. First, it combines vast historical data, domain expertise, and AI models to achieve over 90% accuracy in failure prediction and keep false alarms below 5%. Second, it is fully automated with no manual intervention required, supporting remote deployment and synchronized monitoring across multiple machines. Third, its modular design allows quick adaptation across different industries. With cross-platform integration, PMS aligns with global smart manufacturing trends, paving the way for sustainable and resilient growth. So far, this technology has been adopted across 6 major sectors: semiconductors, machinery, petrochemicals, energy, rail transport, and smart manufacturing. Over 1,500 systems have been deployed, serving more than 200 companies. In the energy sector, equipment availability improved from 70% to 92%. In the semiconductor industry, a single case saved up to $5 million. The technology has also been transferred to sensor manufacturers, bringing in over 2,000 orders from leading chip makers and foundries. Furthermore, PMS is also expanding into the US and European markets as a flagship of Taiwan's smart manufacturing innovation. The Prognosis monitoring system. Predict early, maintain smart, perform stronger.